All right, today we are going to review for our chapter test on subtraction that we'll take tomorrow. If you are on page 429 in your math book, you'll be ready to follow along with our lesson. And the first thing that's on page 429 is just a vocabulary check, just making sure that you understand what a minus sign is. So you're supposed to draw a line from the minus sign to the picture of the minus sign, the equal sign, and I know you know what an equal sign is, and then what it means to subtract. Now, when we subtract, we take away, right? Subtract, we take away. So it's showing 5, take away 2. Now, the next vocabulary word is the word are left. And that's the question that we're usually trying to answer when we're doing a subtraction problem. We're trying to find out, after you take away some, how many are left. Now, there are 9 ladybugs on the leaf. We're going to say that 4 of them flew away. So to show that they went away, we're going to use those X's. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And after those 4 have been taken away, after we subtract those 4, how many are left? What is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ladybugs that are left. All right. Go ahead and turn the page to page 430. Page 430. Now, it says we're going to use counters to model at the bottom. We're just going to draw. All right. We are just going to draw, and it doesn't have to be fancy spiders, right? They can just be circles that represent the spiders. And it says 5 spiders are on a web. So all you have to do is draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it doesn't matter where you draw them on the web. There are 6 spiders on the web, right? 6 spiders on the web. Then it says that 3 spiders crawl away. So we are subtracting 3 spiders. We are taking away 3 spiders. And of course, when we take something away, we use that X. So we're going to do take away 1, take away 2, and take away the 3 spiders that crawled away. How many are left? There's all that vocabulary again. How many are left? Well, there's 1, 2, 3 spiders left. 3 spiders are left. So if we were doing a number sentence, that would be 6. Ooh, that's an ugly looking 6. 6 minus 3, the 6 that were there, minus 3 that crawled away, equals 3. There are 3 left. All right. Now, for the next 2 examples, number 6 and number 7 on this page, they're wanting us to write an equation that represents the picture. An equation that represents the picture. Now, you know that when you are doing subtraction, you must start with the whole thing. So take a look at the smiley faces. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. That's the whole, right? Now, the next thing you're going to be talking about are the different parts, the parts that's left and the part that you take away. So now we're going to talk about the part that you're taking away. How many is the part that we're taking away? 1, 2, 3. I know that because there are 3 X's on them. So the part that we're taking away is 3. And now we're going to do equals the part that is left. See how we're doing part, whole? What we've been talking about with those number bonds? There are 4 altogether. We took away 3 of them, and that means there is 1 left. So the part that we took away is 3. The part that is left is 1, and the whole thing that we started with was 4. All right, here is subtraction from 10. And remember, if you know those facts, those addition facts on ways to make 10, it'll make subtraction from 10 a whole lot easier because of our fact-family relationships. All right, so we have 10. Now we are going to subtract. So trace your minus sign. The part that they're taking away. The part that they're taking away is 3. They are taking away 3. That's the part that's going away. Equals the part that is left. So 10 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the part that's left. So there's our part whole. The part that we took away, 3. The part that's left, 7. And the whole thing we started with was 10. It was 10. All right. If you need some time to get caught up, pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going on to page 431. Page 431. All right. So page 431, I have to go up here and grab my pen, says that there are 10 balls in the basket. We have baskets that look like this in gym class. So there are 10 balls in the basket. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw those 10 balls. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know it might take you a minute to get caught up there. So we have 10 balls in the basket. 7 were used during gym class. So we're going to take out 7 of those balls because they're using them during gym class. This is the part that we're taking away. So this is the part where we subtract, we trace that subtraction sign, we take away 7 of those balls. So X those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we took away 7. Here's our part and our other part. The part that we took away, well, we took away 7. That equals the part that's left, right? The part that's left. So there's still 1, 2, 3 left in the basket. There's still 3 left in the basket. So the whole thing was 10. Then there was the part that we took away and the part that is left. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Let's do another little story problem here. Turn the page to 432. Page 432. We've seen a picture that looks kind of like this before. All right. Let me grab my pen here. So the story says that we have to count the lions. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And that's the number that they have written down right there. Then they want you to trace the minus sign because we're going to be taking some of those lions away. We're going to take away from the group the lions that are sleeping. All right. So we're starting with the whole thing. That's 9. Now we're going to take away the part that is the sleeping lions. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So take away 5 because those are the ones that are sleeping. And then that will equal what is left. How many lions are left after you take away the 5 sleeping lions? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 lions left. The whole thing was 9. All right, all of the lions together, 9. Part of the lions are sleeping, that's 5. The other part of the lions are not sleeping, and that was 4. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4. I would like you to upload your work to Schoology so that I can make sure that you did complete the review before you take your test tomorrow.